Entire trip, the majestic spire of the Jacinto Cathedral Rock, visible testimony of the solid granite core of these mountains. As we continue our journey, the light zone changes become more obvious. You'll see a variety of kinds of opinion, big cone, watch pole,
Here comes another.
natural residents like us here, mountain life.
Oh, you don't look down. Wow. Look at all that snow. Okay, are we going up? What color? Oh, you don't look how much snow.
Yes, one more. Almost there.
The smallest of the five towers is tower number 4, 57.5 feet tall, located at an elevation of 7,576 feet above sea level. From there, the view
Coming in for landing.
We are coming into the mountain station at an elevation of 8,516 feet above sea level.
8,500.
Continue to watch your balance. There will be a bump or two involved as we come to the docking area. You're getting out on the second floor. Above us on the third floor, 2 restaurants, a cocktail area, and then patios outside of both those areas for viewing or photos of the valley below. Down to the first floor, complimentary movie theater, showing a historical on the construction and operation of the tram. A small museum, a welcome center through the state park. The doors lead out to the hiking trails and snow activities. If you go down in the snow country, just use caution. Things are on the icy side, so
We go this way.
keep a watchful eye on your parents today.